Good evening in the Philippines and good morning in the U.S. Today is Tuesday. No, what is it? Wednesday. It's Wednesday, October 2nd. And before we go on, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades. Neither should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor, and once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, let's look at the calendar here, economic calendar. We had the ADP non-farm employment change, and coming up at around 10:30 a.m. Eastern and 10:30 p.m. here in the Philippines, the crude oil inventories report. That usually doesn't affect the S&P 500 index, but sometimes it does, but not as much as the crude oil futures. So with that said, we see a ADP non-farm employment change. There was a forecast of 140. Previous was 157. Actual was 135. It's been going down. So that's a negative. So let me do this. Let's look at the charts. The market's already been opened. And what I can tell you right now is it looks like it will continue going down. You might have a correction sometime here. We're due for a correction. This has been going down steadily. This is like the third, should I say, step down of the Fibonacci's. So let me see here. Since we are seeing, I don't want to all of a sudden take a sudden move going up. Okay, so let's see if there's going to be a correction. So we'll wait this out. The drop has been going down, and I'm telling you, this is what I'm looking at in terms of the naked chart. So here we are. This is a third wing down, so most likely this is going to do a correction to around maybe up to here, right? So let's see if that's going to be the case. So we shall see. So with that said, I'm gonna put this in mute. So this is a definitely downtrend. We'll see if there's a correction here. Here's the chart. So I'll put this in mute. Again, this should last, this webinar is between an hour and a half, depending if I reach my target profit goal, which is $300 for the day. So again, once again, I will put this in mute and I'll talk to you guys later. was an unexpected big loss for me. 400, which I usually don't. Shouldn't move my stop, but we'll see what happens here. Okay, with that trade, I should be done for the day. I was up that much. With that trade, I should make around 200, right? Yep, 288, close to 300. There's my total. 4 trades, net profit 579.64. With that one trade that lost a lot, my fault there. Usually, when you have experienced trader like myself, you can do the same mistake. Also, should I say, you also do dumb mistakes like that. But I made it all up on 3 trades, and that should be done for the day. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? Thursday, right? Talk to you guys tomorrow. God bless. Oh, by the way, that was like a 30-minute, what is that? 9:48, right? 9:48 to 10:11. So we're taking around a 30-minute trade within 30 minutes again. Okay. Bye.